So, video demonstration at a Denton Vacuum Desk V. As you can see right now I have it under vacuum, the turbo pump running, and the chamber pressure is roughly 3.6 times 10 to the minus 5. Up top here you have an adjustment for your rotation, your sample holder, and then you do have a valve here to adjust your argon gas in, and it's recommended you're somewhere between 5 and 7 millitorr, and you can adjust your pressure at this point. I have just adjusted. Here's our argon gas tank. Take a walk around the back here. You have the gas inlet. You can put a vent line in if you want, either CDA or nitrogen. You have a mechanical pump here that comes with the unit. Put your AC in, and then you have a connection for your pump here. Now this runs off of 110 volts. Also, I will send along the DVD with the manual. We'll go through our screens here. Like I said, right now I have it in manual sputter. And from here you can go ahead and turn on your mechanical pump and turbo pump. As well as you can do a vent. You can turn on your rotation. We'll go ahead and turn that on. You see that the table is green now, means we're rotating. Let's go back to the screens. I just want to point out, the only functionality on this system is manual sputter or time sputter. With the rotational table, the sample holder, you're not able to do etch. There's no connection from the power supply to the table, so you're only, with this option, the rotational option, you're only able to do sputter. You can contact Denton Vacuum if necessary in order to get the parts that are needed to allow for etch, but this system does not have that option. So again, you can only do manual sputter or time sputter. Let's quickly look at time sputter. So here you can create a recipe. I created one called Good Test 1. You can go ahead and set your set points, the process set points, as well as your sputtering set points. And your process time and whether or not you want to vent after sputter, and time sputter to enable. So you can set up a recipe. For instance, here I have a process time of 300 seconds, which is 5 minutes. Sputter set point of 20. And a process set point of 5. Again, this is explained in the manual. For demonstration purposes, I'm just going to go back. At this point, you can go ahead and, once you select the recipe, you can go ahead and hit send. There's only one recipe loaded up right here in the system right now. I believe you're able to put in looks like 9 recipes. You'll hit send, and that'll take you into your. Oh, let's go ahead and try that here. So now the gas is turned on. roughly 6.3 millitorr. Now you can see that the plasma is on, purple icon. And if you look up in there, you can see that it's sputtering now. So for time's sake, we're going to go ahead and abort this here. Let's go into overview here. At this point, we want to go ahead and vent the system. So we're going to do an auto vent here. You can see it turns off the turbo pump and it's going to wait approximately 600 seconds, 6 to 10 minutes before it go ahead and vents the system. Okay, we'll come back when it's vented and we'll take a look at the inside of the chamber. Okay, the system has been vented, and you can see I opened the top. There's your sputter target. I'm going to turn on the rotation just to show you that the sample holder is rotating. And by adjusting the speed,